Thank you so much for buying the Bristlebot project from the Engineering Wonder Store. I know you're gonna have a lot of fun building and playing with these, and if you get a couple of these or your friends have some, you can actually have them battle against each other. Let's get into the instructions.
First, let's see what's inside of the package. You have a couple of cards. The first one is a promo card. If you go to the website or follow that QR code, you can get to our social media, and please share with us all your creations. We love to see what you guys make. Then you have the Bristlebot Quick Guide, which gives you quick step-by-step instructions on how to construct your Bristlebot if you're not watching this video. In your package, you will have a pipe cleaner. You have the toothbrush head. That's going to be the body of your Bristlebot. 2 googly eyes, a battery, an electric vibrating motor, and a piece of double-sided foam sticky tape. If there are any parts missing from your kit, please let us know as soon as possible and we'll get them out to you right away. Time to start assembling your Bristlebot. First, grab your bristles, meaning your toothbrush head. Then grab your double-sided foam sticky tape and peel one side off of the sticky tape and attach it to the back of your toothbrush head like this, making sure it goes all the way to the edge of the flat side. Peel the backing off the other side of the foam sticky tape and grab your electric vibrating motor and stick it onto the back of your toothbrush head. Make sure the part of the motor that spins is off the edge of the toothbrush head so it can spin freely. Then take your battery out of its packaging. All batteries have a positive and negative side. This is the positive side and this is the negative side. You're going to create a circuit between this battery and the electric vibrating motor. So we're going to work with one wire at a time. So take the blue wire, which is the negative wire, and stick it to the back of your Bristlebot on the sticky tape. Then stick the negative side of your battery over top of that metal wire, and this will create an electrical connection between the battery and the wire of the motor. As a side note, electric motors aren't polarized, so you could pass electricity through this motor backwards. It'll just change the direction that the motor spins in. Notice how the Bristlebot does not stay on its bristles. It is flopping over. It is very top heavy, and that is where our pipe cleaners come in. You're going to make 2 legs for it so it can support itself and stay upright. Measure off anywhere from 3 to 5 inches of pipe cleaner and cut 2 legs out the same length. This one I'm making is 4 inches in length. You can experiment with different length legs and see how it affects the movement of your Bristlebot. Take one of your pipe cleaner legs and center it on the top of your toothbrush head and press against the sticky tape. Then turn over your Bristlebot and slide the second pipe cleaner leg through the gap in the toothbrush head. Then twist your pipe cleaner legs together like this to form a supportive leg on each side of the Bristlebot. Now when you place it down on the table, it won't fall over. It's time to attach your googly eyes, the most important part of your Bristlebot in my opinion. Grab a googly eye and peel the back off to expose the sticky stuff. Then stick it to the front of your toothbrush head a little off center like this. Then do that again with the other googly eye. Now you have one cute Bristlebot. When you touch the red wire to the positive side of the battery, it'll complete the circuit and the electrons will flow from the battery. But we need a way to turn it on and off so it's not on all the time. So grab a piece of tape and fold the little corner over, then stick the red wire to the top of the battery, and then you can pull off the tape when you want to turn it off and stick it back on when you want to turn it back on. And you've created a homemade switch. Then set it on the table and watch your Bristlebot go. If you have another one or if you have a friend that has one, you can actually get them to battle. This is called the
Bristlebot Battle.
The Bristlebot Battle is a cage match, so you need something to contain the Bristlebots, like this box, or you can make your own. Place your Bristlebots in the box, connect your circuits, and watch them battle it out. You can experiment by bending the pipe cleaner legs in different shapes and directions and see how that affects the movement of your Bristlebot. Both Bristlebots performed very well, and I can't come up with a winner. I think it's a tie. Congratulations, Bristlebots.
And that is how you build a Bristlebot. I hope you had a lot of fun building yours, and hopefully you got a chance to battle against your friends to see who comes out victorious. If you want more cool STEM projects or magic tricks, check out store.engineeringwonder.show, and that will see you in the next project.